Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can sign in to your Steam account. So guys, if you're trying to sign into your Steam account but you don't know how to do so in your mobile, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open your Steam app first. As you can see, I have already logged in, so I'm just going to show it to you by signing out first. And now you're in the sign in page. So guys, just go ahead and enter your Steam account name and your password. And now after you've done so, just go ahead and tap on sign in. And now a code has been sent to your Gmail. Just go ahead and check that. Copy the link and paste it right here and tap on sign in again. And guys, there you go. You have successfully signed into your Steam account in your mobile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.